Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Krissi, and we're back with another wig review. And of course, I am so happy to say that it's Gorgeous Wigs again. I love the last wig that they sent me, so thank you Gorgeous for sponsoring this video. It's going to be Coachella themed, girl, because it's festival season, and I'm sad I'm not going, but we can pretend we are. Now let's get into it. They gave me these cute butterfly clips. I think they're adorable, and I never really play with clips in my hair, but the clips they gave me were so cute. Like, look at this checkered clip. It's so on trend, it's so cute, and I appreciate it so much. Like, they really knew what they were doing with this. I love it. Now let's get into everything else. They gave me a wig cap, of course, and I'm so happy that I get to have one of these cute pouches again. They gave me bobby pins, some hair clips, an elastic band, which we don't need because their wigs are secure, girl, and an edge brush, but I don't think we'll need that either because this unit has bangs, and I'm so excited to see what it looks like. And here's the wig. It looks very similar. The color is very similar to what I have on, but I'm telling you guys, this hair is way softer. Like, they have some of the softest human hair I've ever felt. I'm so here for it because the synthetic wig I have on is definitely not heat friendly, but this is the perfect length. So let's get into it. So she has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, an elastic band, and some adjustable straps. So you got all the security you need, but I know I'll be good because the last time I tried this, girl, the wig was secured. It was secured. So here I am shaking it out, really trying to see what kind of volume I can get before I really go in with it. But let's put her on. Guys, look at that color. I love how the highlights look in the light. It's so beautiful to me. And there's my reaction. I think it's so cute. Since I already had a color similar on, I knew I was going to love this color on me. The wig itself is a lot more forgiving on a hotter day than the other wig I had on would be. So I'm already living for this. So let's get into it. This is how it looks without doing much to it, but you already know we're gonna get into picking this wig out. So I'm just going to get my little comb and start fluffing out this wig. I am disturbing the curls a bit, but I am trying to focus on the roots of the hair so that I can really get some volume going. And I'm not worried about disturbing the curls because, first of all, I love the messy look. I think it's so much more natural looking. It's so me, and it's more carefree, and that's the look we're going for with Coachella. It's carefree, it's a fun time, we're in the desert, so let's go for it. And as you can see, it's picking up volume as I pick it out, and it's really coming together. If you prefer to keep your curls intact, you can always add water and the curls will come right back. But right now, girl, we're going for the volume. We're going for drama. It looks way more voluminous than when I first put it on, and I love how it looks. It's so cute to me. Like, the bangs are the perfect length, and I love the highlights in this wig. I love the color of this wig. It's so vibrant and beautiful. So let's try to create a cute look around this. I decided I would do this half up, half down look because it's super cute, super on trend, and perfect for a festival because you don't have all the hair down in your face. You have some up out of the way. You can get a little nice breeze on the back of your head. You know what I mean. So I just sectioned some hair off and boom, put it into a ponytail, and look how cute. Look how adorable this is. Like, you can't tell me this isn't so cute. And once I parted the bang, it was over. It was over. I was wondering what was not giving. It was the bang, but it's all about placement, girl. I just needed to place it where I wanted it to be, and then it really came together. Like, look how cute this is. And it's so perfect for like any kind of festival look, any kind of summer look really. So here I am just adding my little butterfly clips to add some fun and character to it, and look how cute my face. I was so excited. And here's a little shake test because We know the wigs are secure, but I just need to let you guys see how secure it is. I am really rocking my head and it's not going anywhere. But let's continue this Coachella look. Added some rhinestones to the corner of my eyes, and now we're just going to accessorize. I got these Madewell earrings, my evil eye ring, and then I have my little crystal ring that I got as a gift, and I think it's so cute and perfect for this look. And then I'm just adding my Uncommon James necklace that I love so much. It's so beautiful and it just pops on my skin, and I think it complements the wig too. These accessories are so adorable. Okay, the rings, the necklaces, the cute simple earrings. I'm living for this look right now. Even the rhinestones. I never wear rhinestones. I never put rhinestones on my face like that, or at least I haven't in years. But I feel so cute right now. This is so cute. I'm so upset with myself. My mic is not on. I did all of that. Oh. So I have these pants on, but I feel like they'd be too warm for Coachella, so I'm thinking these are way cuter. I think they go with the theme a lot more, so let's do that. Yes. Okay, I would wear sneakers, and I know exactly which sneakers I would wear. So these are the sneakers I would wear. These Converse, they're so cute, they fit the theme. And I would bring my little purse with me that I can just strap across me. Oh girl, it's coming together. It's coming together. It is coming together. I look so cute! Guys, this is adorable. It's adorable. I love it. I love this wig. I can see myself wearing this a lot. This summer, too hot to wear my wigs like this that are super big and curly because it gets so hot and humid in Jersey, like very hot. And I would be dying in them. And that's why I would eventually cut the wigs. But this is the perfect length. And I love that the bangs are already cut for me, and like the perfect length. Honestly, I usually cut my own bangs in, but this is the perfect length. Like this is how I like my bangs to look. And I love it. I love this little updo I did. It adds character and just fun. Definitely a Coachella look. Like I think I nailed it. I really think I nailed it, guys. This wig is also secure. It's not going anywhere. So if you guys really like the other wig that I reviewed, you're gonna love this one. This is like her highlighted sister. This is like her sister, her cousin, just with highlights, and I love her. She's perfect for summer. She's perfect for any festival, really. And I just think it's worth every little penny. Oh, gorgeous, you did it again. Like, I might even like this one more than the other one. But, you know, I will play with it. You're gonna see her a lot this summer, and I can't wait. Ah! She's so cute and like, this is so easy. You guys just saw how easy it was to put on my head and not do much with it. Once again. Need I say more? So guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry I had to do a whole voiceover. I am so upset with I usually never forget to put on my microphone, but today was one of those days. I was just so excited, you know, I was so excited to wear this wig and see what it was like, and I absolutely love it. It's perfect. It's perfect. I love this look. I hope if any of you guys buy this wig, let me know if you try this, because it is so adorable to me, and I don't even want to take this off. Like, I need to go take pictures right now. So thank you guys so much for tuning in again for another review. Thank you so much to Gorgeous Wigs for calling me up and asking me to review another wig. I am very, very grateful. and I'm absolutely in love with every unit you've sent me, so thank you so much. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the look I created, and definitely if you're going to Coachella, first of all, I'm jealous, and second, enjoy. That's all I have for now, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.